Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa and today I am bringing you this cool toned Winter Wonderland makeup tutorial. If you guys have literally watched any of my videos, you know that warm tone makeup looks are my favorite things. I do them like 9.5 times out of 10, and I got up this morning and was like, I'm gonna film a holiday makeup look. And I immediately started pulling out like cranberries and golds, and then I literally stopped myself and was like, you need to film a cool toned holiday look. You never do cool tone looks, so I really hope that you guys are excited to see something a little bit different here on my channel. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because I don't do cool tone looks very often, this look literally took me like 2 hours to film, so please give this video a thumbs up. But because of that, I'm not going to show you it in real time just because nobody wants to see me do makeup for 2 hours. And believe me, I completely understand. So yeah, you guys, I really hope that you are excited for this makeup look. I hope that you like it. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Feel free to come follow me over on Instagram at AlyssaNPope. And without further ado, if you would like to know how to achieve this Winter Wonderland look for yourself, then let's just go ahead and get started.